Hey everybody, Greg here, and this is a short video about these Trader Joe's carrot and pea. There are also some cauliflower and broccoli ones. They're patties, veggie patties, and the reason I'm making the video is because these are really tasty if you cook them the right way. If you don't cook them the right way, it's a mess. So let me show you. I have some on the griddle already in the pan on the stove, so let's go take a look. So I'm using a cast iron skillet here, and I've set the patties on there with a temperature of medium, and if you leave them on too long, they'll get burned. They'll get kind of crispy and burned, so you don't want that. But here's the trick though. If you don't give them enough time on the griddle, what'll happen is this, right now it's still frozen, but it will melt. It'll be just like ice cream melting, and or almost like if you're cooking a pancake. You know how a pancake will, if you try to flip it too soon, it's just the pancake batter and it goes all over the place. And that's what happens with these. If you flip them too soon, you end up with just kind of a liquid mess. Now, depending on your stove's temperature, you may want to, give more time or less time. But what I want to show you here is now this is getting to be really soft, almost liquid-like. And this is where it's important to not flip them too soon, because in fact here I'll give you an example. This one, let's try to flip it a little bit too soon. When you flip it, it's going to just sort of splatter on the pan. You can see a little bit of that there, just like a soggy, a wet pancake would splatter. It looks like we're pretty close to being ready to flip these. There. So it should be really kind of golden brown by the time you flip it, and that way you'll reduce this sort of liquid splattering in the pan. You'll end up with a more uniform patty and avoid a mess there. So anyway, that's the pro tip for today. So I don't know, maybe others out there have figured this out as well, but my guess was, as I was cooking these for the first time, that some people may have, tried cooking these on a griddle or in a skillet and just kind of given up and decided, well, these don't cook very easily. The other thing is, most of the Trader Joe's patties that you get have individually wrapped patties. So you can have one and leave the rest in the freezer. These, once you open the box, you'll see the box is not very airtight either, but you open the box and they're just, the patties are in there without any individual wrapping. You'll find also other patties that are double wrapped, so they're 2 in 1 plastic wrapping, and that means there's one left over if you're just one person cooking something. But anyway, what I do is just get a big Ziploc bag and drop the box in there with whatever's left. One serving of these is 2 patties. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Curious to know if anyone else has tried this and what other tips and feedback might be. So feel free to leave some comments. If you're watching this on YouTube, just put the comments below, or if it's on a website, use the comments on the page. So thanks so much and have a great day.